beginner barber and you want to know what the best scissors for barbers on the market is right now for £100, I'm going to tell you right now on the Barber Movement.
When I come and kill 'em on the mic and tar, the stars what you need inside the centre. I put in the work, that's what I bet ya. Only way that you win is if I let ya. Pick up the mic to feel this impact. Test my flow, better step back. When I'm on the rhythm and I vibe on the track, I'm the bad man and that's just a fact.
What's going on, guys? How you doing? This is Jay Adams from the Badman brand. You are live right here on the Barber Movement, and today we are going to be speaking about these bad boy scissors from Quartered Steels. So these scissors come in at around £95. You can buy them on Quartered Steels website, quarteredsteels.com, and they come in on their foundation range. These are the 6-inch scissors right here. I think they are really nice. They fit in the hand real nice. They've got a nice beveled finger rest here that make it really nice and comfortable for all your scissor techniques. I also like they've got the cool little logo just here. They come fresh out of the box, nice and sharp, very easy to use, and I highly recommend these scissors if you are just starting in the barber industry. Guys, they've got the full range and they are very lucrative in the market right now because they are a very good scissor for less than £100. And if you are just starting barbering, I highly recommend that you get these scissors straight away. Don't bother with all that Chinese rubbish that you can get off Wish. I know you can buy scissors on the market now for a matter of few pounds, but they're not going to stay sharp for very long. These scissors are really great. They come with a serrated edge. They are very comfortable in your hands. They stay sharp. They are they are great. They stay sharp and they cut. I'm using these now and I'm probably using them for 4 or 5 weeks. And normally I would use a different scissor because these are a foundation set. I also have another pair of Quartered Steels, but I've been using these to try it out and so I can give you guys honest feedback on what I think of them, and I think they're great. I highly recommend these scissors to anyone who's starting out as a barber. These scissors are very versatile. I'd say they are great for all-round barbers, for starter barbers, for all-round barbers, for master barbers, for people who've been cutting hair for 2 years, 3 years. I think these are great for anybody with any experience in cutting. They are very comfortable to club cut with, as I will demonstrate in a video here. I also think they are very great for scissor-over-comb work, doing some classic haircuts, and also lining out as well. They are very precise. The precision is amazing with these scissors. And finally, they are great for chipping in and texturing the hair. It's very comfortable to come in at an angle and snip down, and also take the hair and chip into the hair. You can be very precise with these. They fit very nicely in the hand. So that's the Badman's review on the scissors. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was very helpful to you, and I hope now you know where to buy your scissors. I'm going to leave a link below and you can go directly to quarteredsteels.com and these guys will take care of you. This has been the Badman brand. You've been live right here on the Barber Movement. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Don't forget to buy your scissors here.